Hello children, today I am going to teach a family word. Before a word family, let me tell you date, day, weather and season. Which date today? Today 25 August 2020 and day Tuesday. How is weather outside? Weather cloudy and which season going on? Rainy season. Children, today I explain about a family word, but before let me tell you something in related for English language. In English language 26 letters. How many letters? In English language 26 letters. Okay. 5 are vowels. 5 are vowels and 21 consonants. That means 26 letters, 5 are vowels and 21 consonants. And which one vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Okay? A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels and 21 consonants like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay. 5 vowels and 21 consonants. So children, we start family words. So first of all we start from vowels. Which one vowels? A vowels. Okay. Which one vowels? A vowels. Okay. So AB sound word and AD sound word. Now I explain about AB and AD sound word. Okay. So which picture is this, children? I have already picture drawn the board. So which picture is this? Cab. C-A-B, cab. Children, whenever you write in your notebooks, that time follow 2 instructions. That means you write in 4 line, maintain line. And whenever we write in notebook, that time we use only for blue line, because every time write English language first letter is small letter. Okay. C A B, ab sound word, and now I write C A B, say C A B, cab. Okay. Now next again you write C A B, cab. Okay. Then next D A B, dab. D A B, dab. Again you write D A B, dab. Then B-A-D, bed. Which one next word is? B-A-D, bed. What is the meaning of bad? Bad means bad boy, bad manners and bad thing. Okay, that means bad. Now you write in your notebook B-A-D, bad. B-A-D, bad. Okay children, and now look here, which picture is this? It's a pad picture. Which picture? Pad picture, writing pad. Okay, so writing here. P-A-D, pad. Okay. P-A-D, pad. Then P-A-D, Okay. Next picture is children sad. Sad. Whenever your mother is beating, that time your mood off and you sad. So SAD sad. Maintain 4 line. You started right from blue line. First letter is small letter. SAD. SAD. Okay. Then next sound is egg word. Egg sound word. Okay. Which one sound word? Egg sound word. So write BAG bag. Okay. BAG bag. Then next BAG bag. Your school bag, your tuition bag, whatever you use that time bag. Okay. Next picture. Which picture is this? It's a rag picture. What is the meaning of rag, children? Rag means rough cloth. Whenever you clean your car, whenever clean your bicycle also, that time we use rough rag. Okay. RAG rag. RAG rag. Okay. Next picture. Which picture is this? It's a tag picture. Which picture? Tag. TAG tag. Tag when you purchase new cloth. So have your cloth is already tag. What about her price? Okay. So TAG tag. Now again you write TAG tag. Okay. Next picture is wag. Which is the picture? It's a dog picture. No, children. It's a defined only for wagging. Okay. WAG wag. WAG wag. Okay. Now next page number 30, 33, 41. Okay. Book number same. Book number 1 but page number 41. And which one sound word? Next sound word is a M sound word. Which one sound word? M sound word. So I draw the picture on the board. I have already draw picture. Dam picture. Which picture? Dam. DAM. Look here, children. DAM. You speak and write. So DAM. Dam. Okay. Then next picture is which picture? Jam. Which picture? Jam. 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 Okay. Next picture is yam. What is the picture? Which picture is this? Yam. 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 Okay. Now this page also finished. And next page number 45, 45. Book number same 4, 5, 45. And which sound word? N sound word. Which sound word? N sound word. Children, which picture is this? Look at the board. Which picture is this? It's a can picture. Which picture? Can. C-A-N. Can. C-A-N. Can. Okay. Next picture. You know everybody? What is this? It's a ceiling fan. Fan. F-N. Fan. Which picture? F-A-N. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. Okay. Next picture. Which picture? Man. Okay. Which picture? Man. So we write here. First I draw blackboard 4 line, then it started from small letter and blue line. M-N, man. M-A-N, man. We have write 2 times. Okay. Next is pen. So what is the meaning of pen? It's your mama use in kitchen. Fry pan. Okay. Fry pan. So P-A-N, pan. P-A-N, pan. It's not a writing pen. It's a fry pan. Okay. Then next, no need picture, only for R-A-N, ran. R-A-N, ran. It's the past form of run, okay? R-A-N, ran. R-A-N, ran. Next picture, children, it's your school van. You know which picture is this? It's a van picture. Okay. Everybody look here. V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. Okay. Now page number 5050. Next is 5050 and sound app sound word. Which sound word? A-P, app sound word. Right here, which picture is this? Cap. C-A-P, cap. Again you write C-A-P, cap. Next, first I draw 4 line. Then I explain which one. Which picture is this, children? It's a gap picture. Which picture? Gap. 2 things gap. Two persons sitting there. Then which between places gap. Okay. So G-A-P, gap. G-A-P, gap. Then L-A-P, lap. L-A-P, lap. Next picture. Which picture is this? It's a map picture, children. Which picture? Map. M-A-P, map. Okay. M-A-P, map. M-A-P, map. Then next picture is slab. Nap. Okay. N-A-P, nap. You know what is the meaning of nap? Nap means small betting, you sleeping. 2 minutes only for you sleeping and then open your eyes. That means is a nap. N A P, NAP, nap. Okay, then next, which picture is this? Tap picture, water tap. Nap. TAP, tap, and TAP, tap. Again 2 times you write TAP, 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 tap. Okay children, and last is our sound. Which one sound word? R sound word. Which one sound word? R. BAR, bar. CAR, car. JAR, jar. FAR, far, and TAR, tar.